Okay, fraction busting. Quick review. Fraction busting is a method to get rid of fractions from equations, which makes them typically significantly easier to solve. So we did this yesterday in class. I'm going to do a couple here just in case you had forgot or got stuck. So we'll start with number 4. So I have negative 8 over 3 times m equals 6. In fraction busting, what you're doing is you're multiplying everything on both sides of the equation by the common denominator. So right off the bat, if my two fractions are 8 over 3 and 6 over 1, my common denominator is going to be 3. So what that means is I'm going to take 3 times everything. So then I have 3 times 8/3 and 3 times 6. So this would be 18. This would turn into 24 over 3, which is the same as 8. Since I have a positive and a negative, the answer is negative. So I have negative 8m. And now I just solved that equation. And again, the whole purpose of this fraction busting method, I take negative 8/3 m equals 6. I compare that to negative 8m equals 18. And clearly the second one's much easier. So my last step is just divide by negative 8. And m is equal to negative 18 over 8, or 2 1/4. Another example, number 10. I have x over 2 plus x minus 3 over 5 equals 3. So if my denominators are 2 and 5 and 10, sorry, 2, 5, and 1, my least common multiple, or least common denominator, is going to be 10. So I'm going to multiply everything by 10. So I have 10 times x over 2 plus 10 times x minus 3 over 5 is equal to 10 times 3. So this would be 10 over 10x over 2, which is the same as 5x. This would give me 10x minus 30. 10 over 5 is equal to 2. 30 over 5 is equal to 6. And then 10 times 3 is 30. So again, in a pretty quick step, this is what we're looking at. This equation, much, much easier than this one. And then I just combine like terms. And I solve this equation like I'd solve any kind of equation. So x is equal to 36 over 7, or x is equal to 5 1/7.